boys and girls. It's Miss Holub. So yesterday you rolled a roll of toilet paper and you made a prediction about how far you think you thought it traveled. Was your prediction correct? I bet your teachers really enjoyed seeing those videos. I know I did. Today we will create what's called a slope or an incline. And if you're not sure what that is, you're going to watch this video and see if you can figure it out. Then we're going to make predictions about how far different objects go this time. Let's watch.
Hey there, friend. Today we're going to learn about ramps. A ramp is a tool that helps something go from high to low or low to high. We use ramps every day. Here's a picture of a ramp that a car would use in a parking garage. This ramp helps the car go from the top down to the ground. Let's watch a video about ramps.
Hey, Elmo, you know how we could play with this paper towel too? Oh, well, how? Well, I have a little toy car at home I bet would fit right in there.
Oh, yeah! We can lift one end up and the car will zip through.
Yeah.
In other words, you can use the tube like a ramp.
What's a ramp?
A ramp is a tool that helps something go from high to low or from low to high.
Oh, yeah! Hey, you could try this too.
Yeah! What happens when you lift one end higher? Does the car go further?
Just don't lift it too high or the car might get stuck.
Yeah. Try to make your own cardboard tube ramp and see what happens.
It looked like Abby and Elmo had fun experimenting with ramps. Now it's your turn. Touch or click the ramp that will make the car go the farthest.
So it is your turn. Determine which object travels farther. So if you have a car or a marble or even a small little ball, okay, you can use that for this experiment. And let me ask you something. Does the weight or how heavy or light something is have anything to do with how far it travels? Get your thinking cap on for this one. And why is this important? So we will be able to investigate or discover the different positions objects move. So when I'm sitting here, that's my position. When I walk over here, that's my position. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.